What's up guys? Today we're going to be doing just a short, simple little product review, testing out and looking at the Billet brake reservoir cover from ZZP. And here you have it. Not a whole lot to this. It's basically just a small billet cover made to go over your master cylinder cap. It is a neat little styling piece. It does make it look a little cooler. So I will say, before we get over to the car and actually put this on, I tried this on the master cylinder cover for the 99 and it did not fit. So just be aware, it does not fit every one. However, it looks like it's made to fit the newer reservoirs because it fit on the 07, 05 cars just fine. So those reservoir caps, I'm pretty sure, can be moved to the older ones. So even if you have an older one and you want this, you should be able to get it. Just be prepared that you're going to probably need one of the newer reservoir covers. But first impressions of this, build quality wise, is really good. It looks great. It's made just a little bit bigger than the factory reservoir cover so that it's going to be a snug fit, and once it's on, it can be, you know, taken off and on without having to separate them. So next, let's take it over to the car and we'll see what it looks like over there. Okay, so aside from the fact that I need to clean this thing up a little bit more, here we have the cap, here we have the cap cover. It's just going to sit on it just like that, and you just press it down, and then when you take it off, it stays in. So it is nice and snug. Honestly, looks really good. I don't have a problem with it at all. Does this car need it? Probably not, but it looks cool. It's a pretty inexpensive part. I think it was maybe $15 or something like that from ZZP. So I would have to say I'm pretty happy with it overall. It does just sort of add a little extra layer of cleanliness to the engine bay. I'll give you another little look of what it looks like. So that was the ZZP Billet master cylinder cover. I think it's a really cool little piece. It looks good. It's not very expensive, and it's just sort of nice in general. But let me know what you think down in the comments, if you have it or if you think you want to get it. But I have another product review coming up pretty soon for a new product from ZZP that I'm very excited about, that I think is going to make a huge difference. I don't want to spoil it though, but make sure you're subscribed so you can see that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and peace.